Hi, my name is Pedro Cervantes. I'm with Interwest Distribution, 3M Window Films, and today we're going to explain the process of working on a Model X windshield. The biggest challenge with this windshield is the size of it and getting it done in one piece. So being that MasterShield is crystalline certified, their installers are very knowledgeable and are able to do it in one piece. So they basically lay the film on the car and mold it to the shape of the glass and in one solid piece, and that's the way they're going to install it.
Hi, my name is Steve Marshall. I'm a certified installer at MasterShield out here in Palm Desert. Today we installed a windshield with crystalline on a Tesla X, and with the challenges with the Tesla X windshield is that it is about 8 inches longer than your normal windshield. So it is a large piece of film for the crystalline for installation and shrinking. We used some tips from 3M that were ideas that we had to think outside of the box compared to normal window film installations to actually get this film to mold to that large windshield. So out here in the desert, our Tesla owners, they want the absolute best. And us being a certified shop for the crystalline windshields for the Tesla X in one piece instead of doing the multi-piece, we're able to deliver that for our Tesla X owners.